Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello guys, here we will be discussing a very small but conceptual topic as far as multi-stage amplifier is concerned. So the topic is effect of load and source resistance for the amplifier operation. What will be the effect of source resistance in actual gain? If I increase the value of load resistance, what will be the effect on my amplifier operation? So let's look at the source resistance effect and then load resistance effect. Load can be anything, that can be speaker, that can be DC motor, that can be stepper motor, that can have different value of the resistance. So let us consider source resistance first, and then we will be discussing about the effect of load resistance. This is all about the single stage amplifier circuit. That can be multi-stage amplifier पे भी same effect होगा, but understand first what is the effect on the single stage amplifier, then the same effect will be on the multi-stage amplifier. So as far as this DC is concerned, I know that the voltage gain is equal to, if a source resistance is not given, AV is equal to minus GM into RC. So first of all, we will convert this into AC equivalent circuit. So what will be your AC equivalent circuit look like? Here we will say that this is your resistance RB and here your resistance RS. I say that this is your VS, not VI. We'll take this as Namakaran as VS, and here your value Vi will be there, and here I'll say this is your R pi and this is your GMV pi and your value of RC. Simple. So this is all about with, obviously this is with bypass capacitor, so I forgot to mention that it's bypass capacitor. So effect will be same. What change I have to make here? See to it that I know that AV is equal to VO divided by VI, and that is nothing but without source resistance. I know that AVS is nothing but VO divided by VS, and that is nothing but with source resistance. Now question arises, can I get the value of Vi divided by Vs so that I can find out directly the value of VO divided by Vs by just producting the value of VO divided by Vi and Vi divided by Vs. Vi will get cancelled. So if you say Vi divided by Vs, yes, I can calculate this just by taking the VDR, 5 fingers, one of the 5 fingers, VDR. So we'll say that by VDR we'll get to know that Vi divided by Vs is equal to, we can say, RB parallel R pi divided by RB parallel R pi plus RS. Now if you carefully observe this particular formula, I can say that this value is less than 1, always and always less than 1. If I increase the value of RS, then your Vi by Vs will decreases. If I say Vi by Vs decreases, can I say that this AVS also decreases? So your effect of source resistance is AVS voltage gain decreases. So this is basically your effect of source resistance. If I increase the value of source resistance, your overall voltage gain will reduce it as compared to your without source resistance ka amplifier. So this is how we have discussed. The same operation will be carried out, same result will be getting when we will use the multi-stage amplifier. So if RS increases, your value of the overall voltage gain with source voltage Vs, that will be less as compared to AV. So here my observation is such that AVS is less than AV. That will be my observation as far as this particular video for source resistance effect is concerned. Now let us consider the effect of load resistance. So we will draw a different diagram for that. Here I have considered one particular capacitor, one resistor, and this resistor is nothing but the load resistance. Suppose I have attached one speaker for that, which is having very less resistance value. This is your R2, which is connected to ground, and this is your capacitor, and this is your Vi. what we'll have to calculate? We have to calculate the value of VO divided by VI. Now keep this in mind that this will be your plus VCC, this is your, we'll do all the Namakaran, that will be same RC, and this is nothing but the value of RE. Now here there will not be any need to draw the AC equivalent model. Here itself we'll get to know that. Still I'm going to form the AC equivalent model at the collector side only. Here two resistances will be there. If I increase the value of RL, your value of the output resistance will start decreasing because it's a parallel combination. So this is GM, this is V pi. So I can say that the value of AV is same as that of earlier one, that is GM into, let's say, RC only. But if we say AVL, that is nothing but, this is minus sign, minus GM into RC parallel RL. And I know that by just looking at this particular things here, this is without load resistance and this is with load resistance. Kaun bada kaun chota? I can say that AVL is less than AV. This is because RC parallel RL combination is less than RC always. So as RC parallel RL always and always less than RC, so we can say that AVL is less than AV. So anyhow, even if you attach source resistance, even if you attach load resistance, your value of the overall voltage gain will get reduced. So this is basically the effect of this load resistance. If I put load resistance which is of a higher valued resistance, so that will affect your overall voltage gain. So if we reduce the value of RL, then the value of the overall voltage gain will get increased. So here I can say that my conclusion is AVL is less than AV. So if I consider the voltage gain without load resistance, that will be having very high value as compared to the gain with load resistance. So as far as the multi-stage or single stage amplifier is concerned, this is nothing but the effect of load and source resistance for my particular amplifier operation. So thanks for watching this particular video. If you like this particular video, then obviously share, like and subscribe this particular video. Learn more and more ADC along with me, along with Ekeeda videos. Thank you so much.